Cheers.
Cheers.
So, one word to describe Syamantac Villa. It's peace.
One word to describe Syamantac Villa is scenic view.
And its video itself. And the best part I liked about this place is the candlelight dinner. And you can see the spot where I had candlelight dinner. And the arrangement and everything was amazing. I mean, actually, I never expected this. From the beginning, like from welcoming part up to hospitality and sending off, everything it's like traditional. As you can see, I have this holy dot in my forehead. We both have a dot.
Yeah.
As you can see, this bindi was kept by Girija ma'am, the host of this place. And you can find everything you will see in 5-star hotel here, like all the snacks and even, what do you say, coffee kettles and every other stuffs. And the best, you can see the view now. It's like end of the world scene. And one more thing is like the best part about this place is like it's peaceful and most secured for couples. Like for couples, you will never get disappointed if you are planning for a honeymoon here. So we just had our honeymoon here, and it's like we don't want to leave this place at all. So please visit Syamantac Villa. It will never disappoint you. Regarding the food part, I mean same, it will never disappoint you. They have provided 2 different types of breakfast. Like we had idli and with chicken gravy and sandwich. It was amazing actually. And the bedside snacks, like they have this nut sweets, fruit and nut sweets, coffee kettle, coffee powder, and whatever you can find in 5-star hotel, it is available here. And both lunch and dinner is also really good. Like it's the best place in Kodaikanal to have all these dinner and other stuff. And fruits and cookies were always kept by the bedside. I mean, whenever it is getting over, it is getting refilled again. I strongly recommend this place for honeymoon couples, families and friends. You can find the security of this place, like there are all CCTV cameras and other stuff, and it's the most peaceful place in Kodaikanal, I can say, like because of this view. It's like end of the world view. So I think I'll strongly recommend this for those who are having trouble with cities and other stuff. You can find peace here.
It's a specialty. It's a special chili grown in Kodaikanal, long grain, light green chili.
Okay.
This we season with a special masala, chaat masala, and other dhania, and we give as a starter to our guest.
Yeah.
This is one of the signature dish over here. Flavor puchirka. Thank you so much.
Yeah.